Forehead wrinkles and frown lines start forming as we age and lose collagen. And our sleeping position doesn't help either. Our 100% medical grade silicone forehead pads are designed to help smooth out those horizontal forehead wrinkles and frown lines, otherwise known as those pesky 11s. It's a great alternative to often expensive and more invasive treatments like injectables, but can easily be used in conjunction with them to give you longevity of results and reduce costs. The most important thing is to start with clean, dry skin, so no creams, moisturisers, serums or toners. This is really important because it will interfere with the adhesive on the silicone pads and stop them sticking. Inside the pack you'll find 2 silicone forehead pads and a storage sheet. To reveal the sticky adhesive side, you can peel off the plastic film which can be thrown away. Apply the pad onto the forehead, gently smoothing it down onto the skin. And if you do crease it anywhere, just gently lift it up, smooth the skin down and stick it face down again. Now Wrinkle Schminkles goes to work. It keeps the skin taut so it helps prevent the skin from creasing and the wrinkles can't form while you sleep. At the same time, the properties of the medical grade silicone itself are working with the skin to help draw up moisture, hydration and blood flow to the skin surface. This can help stimulate collagen. In the morning, gently peel off the silicone pad like this and store it face down on the storage sheet included in your pack. Even after just one use, you may see smoother and more line-free skin, and results can be even better over time. It's easy and it's effective. Wrinkle Schminkles works its magic while you get your beauty sleep.